Can you predict the result of this code? Take your time and predict the result in the comment section. MVN, that is nothing but move not instruction, performs one's complement or inverse of any given data and then loads the result in the destination register. Since our input is 0, this is 0 if you consider it as a 32-bit data. What will happen if I perform one's complement? Each bit will be flipped. What does that mean? Every 0 gets converted to 1 and every 1 will get converted to 0. So what's the final answer you will get here? What is this? This is nothing but F. Next task we have is AND operation. It doesn't matter what value is stored in R0. AND operation with a value of 0 will always generate the result as 0. Okay, and based on this we are updating the CPSR, which will immediately make Z to be set as 1 because the result is 0. So immediately we will know out of these two instructions, the first instruction will be executed and R2 will be loaded with the value 1 and the next instruction will be ignored. Let me directly run this code and show you the final output. Okay, so the result is actually 1.